Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is going to be your daily reading, Taurus. Let's see what's coming up for you all. Okay, guys. Okay, Taurus. So, with these cards, I feel this card, coffin, it may the meaning is not literal, guys, literal. Okay, it may just signify ending of something like you were very anxious about. Okay, you were feeling very much disturbed and afraid, okay, of certain things, and you would have wanted to isolate yourself, okay, run away from the people or problems, okay, very frightened. But those circumstances are coming to an end, because I feel with the other cards they denote a very positive energy, guys. So some kind of bad situation or problematic negative energy is coming to an end, guys. And you're stepping into a new kind of responsibility, okay. And there may be a child coming into your life, okay. That is the energy I'm getting here. Maybe your friends or in your family there may be a child coming, okay. So that is the energy. And you are seeing new paths today, guys. New opportunities are coming to you, okay. And you're getting a clarity today, okay, in your mind. You're clearing up, okay, your negative energy. And you're getting a clarity about how you have to go about things, okay. So that is also the energy I'm getting here, guys. And and uh, some of your ideas, maybe in your work or in your relationship, okay, um, your ideas are being accepted, okay. And maybe you're visiting a holy place, or you're doing some kind of a spiritual activity, okay. um, so I'm getting that energy also. Or you're sharing some romantic time with your partner, okay. Spending time with your partner. So I'm getting that energy also here. And there is luck in your cards, guys. You're unlocking good opportunities today, okay. You're solving the problems what you felt like were puzzling you, okay. You didn't know the answers, you're getting the answers today, okay. And it gives you power over your situation. That is what the energy I'm getting from this card, okay. So in whatever situation you are, you may be feeling powerful today, okay. Taking control of the situation, okay. And maybe you feel the energy to make your dreams come true, okay? Whatever your goals you had been um, planning to achieve for yourself, okay? So those are coming into those for those you're working towards those goals, okay? You are seeing the path to achieve those goals, okay? The way to achieve them. So overall it's a good energy, guys. So you're overcoming something negative, you're letting go of something bad, okay? You're overcoming all that negative energies, okay? Something new is coming up in your life, okay? Opportunities are knocking, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. Let's pick out 3 more cards from the other deck. Taurus, let's see what's coming up. Cooperate. Gratitude. Honor life cycles, okay. Okay, guys, today you will be working with the people, okay? Maybe in your office or in your relationship, okay? You may try to work out some issues, or it may be just in your work, okay? You may be working out some projects together, okay? And just as we have certain needs, guys, universe throws opportunities at us, okay? Sometimes just to get a hang of how our life should be, okay? Like we have certain needs, guys. Our body has some needs, and even our minds, okay? So universe creates opportunities for those needs to be fulfilled, okay? So when we honor those cycles, so whatever it is, okay, the change that may be taking place. So I was seeing a child, okay? You may be involved with a child, like you may have a child, or some of your family members, sisters, or brothers, okay, whoever it is. So it may bring a change in your life, okay, some kind of pattern. So that is the energy I'm getting here. So when you willingly accept those changes, uh, it just opens your heart and mind, guys, okay? So it is always for the better, and we run about without seeing what is there in our life, okay? What we have, what people we have in our life, about our friends, about the things we possess, okay? We are caught up in a living day to day life, okay? We have such a hectic schedule, so sometimes we need to just take a pause and look at the things we have, okay? And feel grateful for the things we have achieved, and be happy for what we are today, okay? And it gives us great joy, guys, in knowing what things we have, and how abundantly blessed we are, okay? It just opens our heart. So today you need to thank yourself and the people who have made it possible, okay, for you all to come to this state. And you need to be you need to be grateful, guys. That is what the energy I'm getting here, okay? And allow this feeling of gratitude flow in your heart, okay? It will heal you a lot. So today for you, Taurus, I see you unlocking great opportunities today. great opportunities are coming for you today. Maybe this is in your work or in your relationship. Okay, you may be taking your relationship forward with moving in with your partner or having a child. Okay, so whatever it is, so you're ending the negative energies you had been having till now. Okay, and you're and moving on with a strong positive energy today, Taurus. So that is all for today, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.